What should I do if my TV won't respond to pressing OK on the remote or TV?
Hello, tech enthusiasts. Are you facing a predicament where your TV won't respond to pressing the OK button on your remote or the TV itself? This is a common issue and in most cases, can be fixed at home with some basic troubleshooting steps. In this guide, we will walk you through a series of steps to diagnose and hopefully resolve this issue.
Are the batteries in your remote working?
The first step is to check whether the batteries in your remote are working properly. Change the batteries and try using the remote again. Also, try to press other buttons on the remote to check if they're working, which can confirm if the issue is with the remote or the TV.
Is there an issue with the remote?
If changing batteries didn't solve the issue, your remote control might be the culprit. Try controlling your TV with a universal remote or your TV's smartphone app, if available, to see if the issue is really with your original remote.
Is there an issue with the TV?
If the TV does not respond to other remotes, it's possible the problem is with the TV. You can try to reset your TV to its factory settings. However, this should be your last resort because it will erase all your settings and preferences. Always refer to the user manual for accurate instructions on how to reset your TV.
Is the TV software up to date?
Sometimes, an outdated TV software can cause functionality issues. Check to see if there is a software update available for your TV model. If there is, update the software and then check if the problem persists.
Is it time for professional help?
If none of the previous steps worked, it might be time to seek professional help. You should contact the customer service department of your TV manufacturer for further assistance. And that's it. We hope these troubleshooting steps help you get your TV working properly again. Remember, if all else fails, it's always best to reach out to a professional. Good luck with your troubleshooting, and thanks for watching.